Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about CSS Transform Properties. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one individual div and I'm not going to provide any content. CSS transforms, they allow us to transform CSS boxes. By transformation, what I mean is I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to show it to you in code. So let's grab our div, and in here what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a height so we can actually see our changes, a width 100 pixels, so it is a square box. So let's give it a background color, and that is going to be D29 D2B. Save that. D2B, is this D29 D2B? Yeah, this is the color. So there is our box. First, let's provide transform. Now, if you want to move this in a translational manner, like horizontally or vertically along the x-axis, horizontally or vertically along the y-axis, we have a property, which is actually a function that is going to be translate. So translate accepts two values. The first value is going to be along the x-axis. If the value is positive, it means along the positive x-axis, which is to the right. If the value is negative, it means along the negative x-axis, which is to the left. The second value that it accepts is the value for the y-axis. If the value is positive, it means from top to bottom. If the value is negative, it means from bottom to top. So if I save it, the box is moved to 150 pixels along the x-axis and 100 pixels along the positive y-axis. There we go. So let's take a look at some other properties. We also have transform rotate. We can also rotate our elements. So I'm going to say 45 degrees. It is going to be rotated by 45 degrees. And let's move on to the next property, and that property value, and that is going to be scale. So by default, HTML elements, they have a scale of 1. If you provide it greater than 1, the elements, the boxes are going to be larger. Or if you provide them smaller than that, the boxes are going to be, they're going to get smaller. So 1.1 is going to be bigger than its original size. 1.5 is going to be 50% bigger. 0.5 is going to be like 50% smaller. With this, our lecture comes to an end. See you in the next one.